Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group. Now, this is video 5 in our hashtag LDA March Challenges series. And as you can see, I got the flip through board out, so this is going to be our flip through video. Real quick, I wanted to show you the kits that I used. I merged them all together. Vintage pattern journal pages. I thought I picked up 2. Vintage Blanc journal pages. Pretty Pastels vintage journal papers. And Floral Scraps mini kit. Now it's got 22 pages, so it isn't really a mini kit. The vintage pattern journal pages has 11 backing papers. This has 20 blank papers in different colors. There's quite a few tans too, so don't worry, it's not all, pinks and blues, but the pinks and blues are really pretty. And the Pretty Pastels has 26 pages. So when you add all these together, you get 77 pages. Plus we had freebies this month. Challenge papers. I do that every time. That you can get just at the LineDotArrow Junk Journal Group Facebook group. Okay, LineDotArrow Junk Journal Group is the name of the group. There's one a week for the first 3 weeks. Not one, but one set a week for the first 3 weeks of the month. And you can go back and get them anytime. Okay, now the flip through is of our little folio here. And I kind of combined a flip book and a folio because why not? So on the cover we have this nice lady here and it says Thoughts, and there's just a tiny bit of lace. I'm not sure how much more lace I used in this, but I thought it looked nice there. And there's a pocket here. There's a pocket here on the front. Then this opens up like so, and this is a window in the pocket that's made from a tab. And the card, which as we all know, we don't take the cards out during the flip through because they get stuck and they don't go back in, but the card is the paper that's underneath, so when you take the card out you still see the same pattern. Thought that was nifty neato. Then we have this belly band with these really pretty little silk flowers. And then this is a trifold with space to write. And I rounded the corners. I rounded the corners on all the pages, whatever side that needed to be rounded anyway. You have to be a little careful with these acetate belly bands. They're kind of hard to see to slide up underneath. So just mental note to self when you make them. And then you can leave this open or you can close it because then it opens this way. Yada yada. So when we open it this way, how did that happen? Oh, that's right. Okay, I'm sorry. You open it this way. And there's a pocket here. Now this material right here is paper, and they use it in drywalling, and someone gifted it to me and I don't remember who or where, and I looked at it and I thought, what am I going to do with that? And so I decided to use it this way. And there's a tag here. Got some butterflies. I should put a butterfly up there. And then this opens this way, and there's a belly band on this side with a tag. There's a a pocket on this side with a card. And this is actually, this whole thing is actually a belly band. Oh my goodness. Then I forgot to put a card in because it was underneath and I forgot. And this is stamped. Stamped. We get this little double pocket stuffed full of tags. And this ticket is a pocket. And then on the back, this is not a big project. You could do this We did this in 4 videos, so that's about 4 hours time. You could do this in a day by the time you cut everything up and inked it and all that. Oh, and I forgot, there's a card in the middle where these two are glued together, where the flip up is glued to the folio. There's a big card in between there. I don't know if I want to pull on that or not. But anyway, there's a big one, the whole size of this whole thing in there. On the back side is the card, or the tag, and then a card inside here. Okay. I use the drywall stuff again, which, you know, I've come to really like it, and I might actually buy some. Comes in a roll, I think, but the person that gave it to me had it kind of folded back and forth, and it looked like a bow tie when you looked at it sideways. Anywho, that's my project. That's my design team project for the month, and I will see you guys at the beginning of the month, and that will be with our regular Sweet Pea Papers tutorial videos, and then for 2 weeks, and then for 2 weeks after that will be the next design team project for LineDotArrow. All right, well, I will see you guys soon. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget that the hashtag for this month is LDA March Challenges with an S. LDA March Challenges, all one word. Okay. All right, so I don't need my sticky note with a number of pages anymore. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.